Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a twisted knot headband. The first thing we are going to be doing is to measure it. So I was measuring 19 by 6 centimeter with any material of your choice. Once you're done with that, you fold in half just like I'm doing and sew. I made use of 19 by 6 centimeter measurement is because my material is stretchy. If your material isn't stretchy, you can add 2 inches to it, 2 or 3 inches to it. Guys, this is the finished look. This is how it's looking like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You can use it as a knot or just use it as a normal headband. You can turn the knots to the back.